Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's video I'll try to show the battery life details about the MI11X device in the standby mode. So recently I did a video on a couple of videos of the battery backup of this MI11X device, friends. And in next upcoming video I'll try to do the battery life test using the 4G SIM with the 50% brightness and 60 Hz as well. So make sure to follow me regularly because I'll be doing that kind of video uploading maybe today or next day as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those more information on this MI11X battery and details. So right now, friends, I did use the 4G data SIM throughout the night, but I did not unlock the phone at all, but the 4G net was continuously on from the night to the morning itself. So I taken the screenshot before sleeping and after waking up in the morning. So right now I'm going to show you all the screenshots about the standby mode battery drain results. So there is different modes which I'll be keep on testing in this phone regarding the battery life. So let me try to quickly open the screenshot what I have taken at night time. So this is a screenshot which I have taken during the night time. As you can see, when the battery percentage is about 42%. The time is about exactly, as you can see, friends, 10:33 p.m. So before I was sleeping, this is the time when I taken the screenshot, and battery percentage is about 42%, and the 4G net was on. As you can see, friends, I did leave the 4G net. So if you disable the 4G net and if you turn off the 4G net, so maybe that you might experience a little bit kind of less battery drain. So maybe 1% of the battery might be saved. So in the morning, friends, the battery life decreased to the 39%, as you can see. So this is a screenshot which I have taken in the morning around 7:30 a.m. as you can see, friends. So overall, I can say definitely it's an really good score results for this kind of difference. I think close to 8 hours of difference time is there here. So maybe 8 to 9 hours of time difference is there. And during this time, only 3% of the battery got drained. So from 42, it came up to 39%, as you can see, friends, right now. So even right now, when the time is about 8:49, as you can see, the battery percentage exactly at the moment is of 36%, as you can see, friends. That is 36%. So there is a battery draining problem only when you're playing the games with the 120 Hz. So other than that, the battery is kind of okay, I would say, but I cannot guarantee you, friends, until I do the test by myself. So definitely I'll do that kind of test as well using the 60 Hz display refresh rate. So make sure to follow me regularly so you will get to know all the genuine results about this MI11X device. And in case if you're one of the person who is thinking of buying this phone but worried about the battery life, then my channel will be very much helpful for you all. So thank you, friends, for watching this video. That's it for this video. Overall, there's a drain of 3% battery in the overnight. Even if you leave the 4G data SIM, 3%. If you don't leave the 4G data SIM, maybe 2 to 3%, but you cannot save a lot of battery if you disable. So that's why I thought of leaving the 4G data continuously on during the night time. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.